Alright, so now that we have our website set up, now that we have our website live, let's do a few things before we go ahead and then install themes and design this website. Let's go to the email that we use to sign up when creating the SiteGround account. If you go to your email, you'd see a lot of emails coming in from SiteGround. There would be a sales receipt, there would be some important information about your hosting account, there would be the WordPress installation confirmation, and much more. And you should definitely be clicking on this verification required email, because if you don't do it, your domain name won't function properly. So go ahead, click on it, and then verify your domain name, right? So click through it, and there will be a link like this. Click on it, and your domain gets verified. Very simple. Once it's done, go back, and there's one more email that we have to click through. It's the data use consent preferences. So click through it and click on the link here. It will take you to a page like this, and then scroll down, and there will be two boxes there. Just tick it and then save consent settings. Now we are ready to design our website. Alright, so now that we have taken care of it, let's go back to our blog and let's go to our WP admin dashboard, from where we will be uploading new posts, media files, creating new pages, and so much more. But before we do that, we have to secure our website. Our site is not secure as it doesn't have a green secure symbol here. If you go to our cPanel, the SiteGround account, we see there's a green padlock there. That is a symbol of security. Our site needs the same, or else Google will penalize us. So let's search for Let's Encrypt here in this search box and install this. Click on it and we'll be taken to a page like this, and let's hit install. Alright, and we will also be installing the other SSL, which is the Let's Encrypt wildcard. So select that and click install and click confirm. Alright, so let's now hit refresh by reloading the cPanel X, and let's go to our blog, the front end, and see whether it is working or not. Let's reload this as well. It doesn't seem to be working. Let's go back to our WP admin dashboard and go to settings and general, and we need to add S here after HTTP, add one more S here after HTTP, and save changes by scrolling down at the bottom. And let's reload this page. We might have to log back in. There you go. So use the same username and password that you kept while installing the WordPress. I'm sure you kept it saved somewhere. Let's log back in. Alright, and now let's go to the front end of our site and let's refresh it and see if it's working. Nah, it's not working yet. Let's go back to our cPanel X and let's reload it and see if it works. We were missing something. We might have to enforce the HTTPS through every URLs. So click here and turn this on as well, and hit OK. And let's now go back to our front end and then hit refresh. No, it's not working. So everything seems to be okay here, but then I don't know why it's not working yet. They all turn on, but still not yet working. Let's do one thing. Let's go back to our front end. Let's first refresh this and go to the front end. Of of our site, and let's X this out, right? And from the WP admin dashboard, let's go to my blog and visit site and open this in a new tab. Let's wait for a few seconds. There you go, it's working. We have the green secure padlock now. Awesome. Alright, so now that our website is secure, we can go ahead and then design this now. At this point in time, it doesn't look good at all. It's all messed up. We need to tidy this up and make a new design. So we will be installing a new theme from here. From the WP admin dashboard, go to Appearance and Themes, and there are some pre-installed themes already which we don't need, and we'll be deleting those. So click on the theme and then hit delete. OK. Do the same thing with the next theme. Click on it, hit delete. OK. Next we go to add new theme, and we'll be looking for a theme called WP Ocean. It's Ocean WP. Yeah. So in the search box, search for the theme called Ocean WP. It's a free theme and it's really good theme for new bloggers like you and me. So after installing it, we'll have to be activating it so that this becomes active instead of the default theme that comes pre-installed and activated. So let's activate this. Alright, so now the active theme is Ocean WP. Okay, now let's go back to the front end and refresh. There you go, it looks better already. Now we can design it and make it look even better, right? So let's hit our first post. Let's publish our first post. To do that, we'll be going to Posts, Add New. I'll never forget this day. And we'll be taken to the editor page of WordPress in a moment. This is called the new editor, which we, the old-time users of WordPress, don't like. It's clunky, it's not user-friendly at all. So I don't recommend you go with this, and I wouldn't be going with this in this tutorial. So what we'll do is we will change this editor to the old editor, which is called the classic editor, and we will use that. So we'll go to Plugins, Add New, and we will be looking for a plugin called Classic Editor. Go to search box and search for it. I'll never forget this day. Right, here we go. This is installed by 3 million plus people and it is rated 5 stars. So install this, and once it's installed, activate it so that we can use this to create new posts, new pages, and so on. We won't be using the new editor, and we don't need this plugin, so we will delete this WordPress starter, hit delete, hit OK. Alright, so now we are ready to publish our new posts. We are all set to go. Alright, so to publish a new post, we'll go to Post, Add New, and let's give this post a title. Let's say 13 ways to make $10,000 per month. Yep. And we will need some dummy text to paste here. I'm not gonna write it for now. So let me just go and grab some dummy text from Google. I'm gonna type dummy or demo text here, and this lorem ipsum is called dummy text. It has been around since 1500s, so let's copy paste this from here, and then let's paste it in our WP admin dashboard where we were writing a new post. Alright, and we will be needing some images to add here, and there is a site that I use which is called Pixabay. We get some stunning free images there which we don't need license to use commercially or personally, so this is my go-to site when it comes to getting blog post pictures. There's one more site that I use, which is unsplash.com. This is also a source of a very good source, in fact, of images and pictures for blog posts. But I prefer Pixabay. That's what I use normally. So go ahead and download some pictures and keep it somewhere in your computer. Alright, so I've downloaded some files from some pictures here from Pixabay, and we will be using these pictures in our blog post as featured images. Okay, so we will go to featured images here, set featured image, click on it, and we will be uploading one of the pictures that I downloaded. We have to select file since there are no files here at the moment, so select files and choose go to your folder where you have the images downloaded and enter the alt text. This is good for SEO purposes. Keep it quite similar to what the blog post title is. It's very helpful to rank in Google. So in my case, it's 13 ways to make $10,000 per month. So we'll keep it something similar, if not exactly similar, and hit set featured image. Alright, so the image is being set now, and if we hit publish, our first blog post will have been published now. Now we can view post. First, let's change it. Like it should be 13 ways, right? So let's make it 13 ways and hit update and view post. There you go. We have opened that view post in a new tab. So we have our first blog post live online. Alright, so this shows the author, the date published, the category, and this is the comment section where the readers can post comments to your blog post. Alright, so if we check the URL of this blog post, we see that there is the date and the title after our site URL. It doesn't look good and it is not good for the SEO. We need to fix it. So to fix it, we go to our dashboard, we go to settings, and we go to Permalinks, and let's open this in a new tab. And let's fix something. Alright, so by default the permalink is set to day and name. Day meaning the date of the publication and the name of the post. To change this to post name, no date in the post URL will be shown after this, and save changes. Let's go back now to our post and hit refresh. It's still working. Let's go back to our dashboard and then let's view this one more time in a new tab. Alright, it's not working again. It could be due to the fact that the URL has been changed. So we might have to delete this post and create a new one more time. So let's go to all posts and then leave page, and let's trash this post and create a new one from here. Post admin. and follow the exact steps as previously done. Let's set a featured image. We will choose this file because it is already being uploaded before. We will be adding a new category to this post. So select add new, and then let's give it as make money online. And then add a new category. Alright, and under tags, we'll be adding something similar to post title, make money online, and add. And then let us hit the button publish. It should be working now. So before we do that, what we'll be doing is we will be closing down all these tabs that we have opened. So let's close this out and let's view this in a new tab. Let's view it in a new tab, and it's working. Alright, so our new post is working perfectly fine. Let's add one more post. Let's go to edit post, add new post. Let's give this a title. Let's say it's 10 ways to impress a girl, right? We will be copy pasting the same text that we had previously copied. Below it some dummy text. We'll go to set featured image. We will upload something new now. So let's go to select files, and then let's upload this image of women with blonde. The title doesn't suit the title of the post here. It says woman and then there's a number. It's not good for the SEO purposes. So what we can do is we can rename this image file in the folders itself, right? So to do that, we'll delete this image. Hit OK, and let's try and re-upload this by selecting file, and then we will rename the image to post title. It's good for SEO because if the image has the same name as the title of the post, then it will come up in the Google image search results. So it's good for SEO and for traffic purposes. Alright, so after we rename this, we will select the file and we will upload it. And under all text, we will paste the title, and we will set this as a featured image. Alright, so let's set this image as featured image and add a new category now. Let's call it dating, add a new category, and then we'll fill in the tags. Let's call it as dating tips. Click on add, and let's hit publish. Let's view this post in the new tab by clicking here, and there you go. So we have 2 blog posts to publish now. We'll be adding 2 more. So our website looks so much better now. It looks awesome. So we'll go to our dashboard, and then we will add 2 more blog posts. We can follow the exact same steps. Go to edit post, add new, add a title. What do we call now? Let's go to our image and find out which image suits for what post title. Let's write something about Bitcoins. Say the rise and fall of Bitcoins. I lost a lot of money in Bitcoins. Did you? We all did, I yes. So let's paste. Okay. Let's go back to our dummy text. Copy from here. And let's paste it. Let's set a featured image. Upload it. Eyes in the sky. We will rename this to our post title. As I said, it's good for the SEO purposes and for Google image search result. So after we rename this, we'll upload it. Baby, let the light shine through if you believe. And in the alt text, we'll fill in the same details and send this as feature image. In the new category, we'll be adding bitcoins, and in the tags, we'll add something similar to the post title. It can be short, it could be a bit long, it's okay. And we'll hit publish. Let's view this in a new tab. Alright, let's just add one more blog post. It's the exact same statement. Just repeat whatever we did before. Okay, if we view this in a new tab, we see that it has been published. And then if we go to blog, we will be seeing all the published posts here. This is our homepage, and our homepage has 4 published posts now. And our site is coming up to be pretty beautiful with a free theme. So just under a few minutes, we have published 4 posts, we have added the categories and tags, and our site is looking beautiful.